So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am back with another challenge in 30 days of React JavaScript. So we have this problem statement which is conditional rendering puzzle. Means we have to create a puzzle system like build a React component that renders hello world initially. After 5 seconds, change the text to goodbye world without using any external state management libraries or timers. So we have to create this challenge without using any external state management or libraries. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, then make sure that you like and subscribe so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So think for some time and try to solve this challenge. So I hope you all have tried. So let's get started and see how we can implement this. So first of all, we will make a React arrow functional component, and then we will need two things. One is the use state and one is the use effect hook. Now we will make a state which is name message, and final state name will be the set message. And initially the message is the hello world, which will render initially, and we will change the text by using useEffect on render. So now implement useEffect, and inside we will create a timer. So we are making custom timer, we are not using any library or package for this. So we will use SetTimeOut of the JavaScript. Now we will set the final state to goodbye world, which is the final text, and it will render after 5 seconds, 5000 milliseconds here. We will remove this dependency, and now we have to clean this timer also. So return cleanup function for the clear timeout we have in JavaScript. So now h1, and inside h1 we will pass message is equals to initial state message. And now, so see, after 5 seconds we will get the goodbye world. So this is the challenge. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I will meet in the next challenge. So thank you for watching.